Pandora was really struggling to raise money in 2009 when we invested. We met with them and it was a pretty impressive story, I thought. I think I was 2 weeks or 3 weeks into the job and met with the CEO and the founder. What was interesting is they were the number one app on iPhone and Android at the time, number one free downloaded app, growing like crazy, all organic growth. It had a really incredible product experience for streaming radio with great personalization recommendations. But there was just such fear that they were going to go out of business, that they wouldn't be able to turn it into a business and they would just run out of cash and shut down. In the music space, you've got to pay royalties. If your usage and user growth is growing like crazy, your costs are also going like crazy. So if you're not able to monetize that, you're not able to really sustain the business. We looked at that and it was clear that the radio advertising market was so large. I think it was like a $20 billion market just in the US alone. We knew that a lot of those ad dollars would go to digital radio because terrestrial radio, AM, FM, would eventually sort of trail off and go away was the thesis. If Pandora could build an advertising business, which we think they could, we ran some modeling, we thought they'd be able to sustain the business and continue growing. It could be a really, really big player in the space. That was our thesis. And it was very contrarian, ironically, because just the market sentiment was so negative about anything in music or media or anything that had a high cash burn. But we invested and the company built a great advertising business and then a subscription business. It went public several years later, ended up getting acquired by SiriusXM, but really incredible founder journey for that team.